Augmented reality, you can do a bunch of stuff. With AR, you can work, you can study, and play games, of course. Let's talk about it. The first question is, what is AR? Augmented reality is an interactive experience that combines real-world and computer-generated content, like this one, for example. AR can now save people's lives. Doctors can literally make surgeries and see extra data. It's a kind of navigation system for the surgery. It's also possible to study with this kind of software. So you don't have to cut the body. You can just use the virtual or augmented reality to educate yourself. That's really impressive. It's like time traveling. It's just amazing. Just imagine how people would sell flats with the help of AR. First you can check the space, then go outside and see the prices for the square meter outside. Scroll it down and find a perfect match. Then book your appointment, dress up, and boom, you get an appointment. Use filter and check how the space would look like with the help of AR. This looks amazing. It looks a bit like a Black Mirror movie. And then just imagine how the companies like Airbnb or Booking.com would look like. Everything with the help of AR. I really like this concept. And this is the concept of a navigation system. You have to wear this ring on your finger and then it shows your GPS mark and where you have to go. Just project it on the road. Oh, it looks so cool. A company, Wist Labs, redeveloped how we use our video calls. You can literally sit home alone and call to your relatives and see how a person is standing in front of you. That's the kind of future that we are going to. You can use AR in sport. If some of you likes football, for example, you can point your iPhone on the football field and get the real-time data from the game. That's great. It's so impressive. Talking about sport, people can wear those glasses and use it for trainings. If you are a professional hockey player, you have to find a place to train yourself. But what if I could say that AR can help you? Just look at this guy, he's training himself. That's a beautiful experience, I could say. Another gastro company made a menu in AR. You can order your pizza or beer right in front of you without even touching the menu, just using your wrist. When you order your meal, you will see exactly what you ordered there, and then the waitress will bring it to you. Isn't it great? Sometimes we can also get some sadness in our lives. One guy has recreated his dog with the help of Unreal Engine in the virtual reality. His dog died 7 months ago. The dog always wanted to go to the seaside, and now he's visiting his dog in the virtual reality. But it can also be made in the AR. Just imagine how your dog can lie on the couch when it's passed away. That's a sad project. And this guy made a desktop in AR. Look how cool it is. I would definitely try it, but I don't know, maybe your eyes would be dried after several hours of using that. Look how smooth it is. I really like how people are developing those kind of experience. I think we're gonna see it in the close future. If you are a designer and you want to design a furniture, for example, you can also do it in the virtual reality. You can just put your glasses on and create, and then maybe 3D print it or send it to the factory. Or you can also design new shoes, for example. I really like it. Wow, it's so impressive. Cool. AR is opening new opportunities for different kind of designers. And of course you can use it for gaming. Meta Quest 3 just made another revolution. At this Halloween, they made a new zombie shooter game. You can literally play against zombies in AR just standing in your room. MetaQuest analyzes everything around you and it makes your flat like a battlefield. But you have to take care of your mental health. It's really scary to play those games. I would not do that by myself. And last but not least, you can multiply your desktop. If you are working on a huge project and you need multiple displays, you can wear your glasses on and then do it in AR. Look how cool it is. Picture is sharp enough to read from the screen or browse online. That's a new amazing technology. I think the future is now. It's happening right now. I hope you liked this video. So please subscribe and see you in the next one. Wish you all the best. Bye.